to episode 4 of our AIOps journey. In episode 2, we talked about alert correlation and how our machine learning works. Episode 3, we talked about automation and how you can automate some of those tasks to really, get rid of the alert noise. Some of our customers have managed to get that out by 95%. But there are times when you need to do something. There are times when you need to do some action. So I want to show you that today. One of the capabilities of our product is the ability to see everything in one place, right? So here's our infrastructure resources. We've got some servers in here. We've got Windows servers. We've got Linux servers. If I go and jump into a Windows server here and have a look, this is a Windows server in Amazon. It's got our agent installed, and by having our agent installed, you can do all sorts of great things. You can see the services. You can start and stop services manually if you want to. You can see the software, make sure you're all compliant. You can do patching and see which ones are missing. And one of the great things as well is if you do need to take some remedial action, you can actually use our RDP session client here. So I'm going to open up a session with this, and I've got some credentials. Maybe I'm pulling it from CyberArk or Manage Engine. We support those types of tools here. So we don't keep the credentials in our tooling, but we go and grab them when we need them. And I'm going to load up a session here with this SQL server. It's obviously Windows, and it's in the cloud, and all the icons are not very pretty. So I'm going to push those back to the side here. So I'm just going to pretend I'm doing some remedial action, which is really moving some icons around. But the reason for showing you that is that actually that was recorded. And so if you're an MSP or you're a service provider to a certain customer and you want to prove that you didn't do anything wrong when you took control of the server, here it is. It's actually recorded, and I'm going to play that back to you. So let me just switch the screen here. So this is the recording of what I did, and let me just play that. And there we go. And I moved those icons around, hands-free. I'm not doing anything with my so that was a recording of me moving the icons around and pretending to be knowledgeable about what I was doing. So that's an example there of some of the tooling that helps us to remediate actions at the end of the day. That's what you need to do to keep things running, right? So end of episode 4. See you next week. Take care.